Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Coinomi to Kraken safely, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Coinomi app on your device. Navigate to the wallet section where your cryptocurrencies are stored. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw to Kraken. Tap on the send button. Now, open your Kraken account in a separate browser or app. Log in to your Kraken account. In Kraken, locate the Funding tab. Click on Deposit. Select the same cryptocurrency you are withdrawing from Coinomi. You will see a deposit address for that cryptocurrency. Copy the deposit address carefully. Return to the Coinomi app. In the recipient address field, paste the deposit address you copied from Kraken. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Review all details to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. You may need to verify the transaction with a two-factor authentication code if enabled. Wait for the transaction to process. Check your Kraken account for the deposit. Once the deposit is visible, your withdrawal is complete. You have successfully withdrawn from Coinomi to Kraken. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.